morning, everyone. Dignitaries on the dais, friends from the industry, media, ladies and gentlemen. I thank NIQR for having given me this opportunity to speak today on a very important subject, resilience and agility for the new era. That is the redefining quality leadership. I think it's a very, very important subject. I think NIQR has been, I've seen what we saw in the presentation today, has a proud legacy of promoting quality leadership, innovation. I think many of the industries in Tamil Nadu, especially the auto and auto component industries, had embraced Japanese way of working, and this led to the birth of this association in quality. If my understanding is correct, it started in 1968 as an institute earlier, not as NIQR, it's a different name. It became NIQR in 86. Ravi and others have been leading this. And there are many leaders in the industry who had ensured continuity and success of this movement, and has been well supported by many industries. I think this itself, NIQR is resilient, and that is why it succeeded to sustain itself today. When I started my journey nearly 50 years back in industry, we used to speak of inspected quality, the final product, and wastages and rejections were in percentages. And quality inspectors were kings and could stop production those days. Slowly with ISO and many other technology, we changed the consistency in processes and product with rejections coming to zero or in PPM levels. I think we started talking of zero defect now. Coming to the topic of the day, quality leadership, resilience. I would like to say, I just went through your brochure for the thing. You are talking of resilience, innovation, sustainability, AI, skilling, and quality 5.0 as the topics for the various sessions, which is very, very interesting. All are very important, and I'm confident that the conference will provide all the participants ample opportunity to learn and debate on these. I wish to speak only on one concept on this that is transforming the industries today, societies, and our very relationship with resources, the circular economy, and how the question of quality in circular economy is central to its success. We all know that the traditional economic model is linear, take, make, use, and dispose. But we face environmental pressures, resource scarcity, and growing consumer expectations. And the model is proving to be unsustainable. The circular economy offers us a new way forward. It's not simply about recycling. It's about rethinking design, extending product life cycles, and creating systems where waste becomes input for new value creation. And behind all of this lies one crucial factor, quality. Without quality of materials, design, processes, and collaboration, the circular model cannot sustain. In refurbishment and what is circular economy? Circular economy is an economic system aimed at eliminating waste and making the most of resources instead of products. Having a cradle-to-grave life cycle, they follow a cradle-to-cradle approach. It involves designing out waste from the start, creating products that are durable, modular, and repairable, keeping products and materials in use for as long as possible, regenerating natural systems, ensuring that industrial activity does not harm, but actually restores ecosystem. Why is quality important in circular economy? For a circular system to be effective, the answer is quality at every stage. Quality of design. If products are designed to be durable, modular, and easy to disassemble, they can be reused in multiple times. Conversely, if the design is poor, even highly recyclable materials may end up as waste. Quality of materials, secondary raw materials, those recovered through recycling must meet certain quality standards if they are to substitute virgin resources. Quality assurance in manufacturing and processes. In refurbishment and remanufacturing industries, quality control ensures reused components perform as safely and as reliable as the new ones. Without the guarantee, the customer trust is lost. A key barrier to circular economy adoption is consumer skepticism. People often assume that a remanufactured or recycled product is second class. Therefore, consistent quality standards and certifications are essential to reassure customers that circular products are not inferior but equal or sometimes even superior. There are many quality standards today which provide the framework for companies to embed both sustainability and reliability into their products and services while aligning with circular economy principles. When we integrate quality thinking into circular economy, major benefits that emerge are trust and adoption, efficiency and innovation. In short, a circular economy without quality is incomplete, and quality without circular thinking is short-sighted. So as leaders, professionals and citizens, our responsibility is to advocate for a future that is not only circular, but also credible, reliable, and of uncompromising quality. I think Mr. Suzuki also spoke on the similar line in his presentation. The other important point is agility, but due to paucity of time, I'm not going deeply into that. Even IT industries have taken agility as one of their major points for improvements. So I thank NIQR once again for having given me this opportunity to be here, and wish all the participants a great conference, and I'm sure you would learn a lot from this redefining quality leadership, resilience and agility for the new area. Thank you.